None. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Igbo Language Simplified. Today we are going to be learning the Igbo alphabets and their pronunciation. Igbo language is one of the major languages in Nigeria, and it is spoken by the southeastern states, which includes Enugu, Ebonyi, Anambra, Imo, and Abia. About 1/6 of the population of Nigeria speaks Igbo language. Wow! About 24 million people, that's a lot. The Igbo language alphabets are 36 in numbers, and they can be referred to as Mkpụrụokwu Igbo. Maọbụ means or, mkpụrụ edemede maọbụ abidi. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, G, G, H, E, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, R, W, O, R, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. So that's the Igbo alphabet from A to Z. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.